There's a reason why some people seem to glide through their days with energy, focus, and a quiet confidence that others can only admire from afar. It's not luck, and it's not some secret formula hidden away in a vault. It's a single morning habit, simple yet profoundly powerful, that successful people swear by. And if you haven't adopted it yet, you're missing out on a game changer that could transform your life in ways you never imagined. Most of us wake up and immediately dive into the chaos of the day. Phones buzz with notifications, emails pile up, and before we know it, we're reacting to everyone else's demands instead of setting our own course. This reactive mode drains our energy and scatters our focus. But imagine if, instead of rushing headlong into the noise, you started your day with a moment of calm, clarity, and intention. That is exactly what this habit offers, a chance to reset your mind and prepare yourself to win the day. Let me take you back to a story about a man named David. David was a typical busy professional, juggling work deadlines, family responsibilities, and the endless distractions of modern life. His mornings were a blur of rushing, stress, and frustration. He felt like he was always behind, never quite catching up. One day, a mentor introduced him to a simple practice, spending just 5 minutes each morning in mindful stillness. At first, David was skeptical. How could sitting quietly for 5 minutes possibly make a difference? But he decided to try it. The first few mornings were tough. His mind raced with worries and to-do lists. But he persisted. Slowly, David began to notice subtle changes. He felt less overwhelmed, more focused, and surprisingly, more energized. That small window of calm gave him a mental edge that carried through the day. He wasn't just reacting to life anymore, he was shaping it. Contrast this with the typical morning routine most people follow. They wake up, grab their phone, and immediately get sucked into a vortex of social media, news, and emails. Their minds become cluttered before the day even begins. This habit creates a reactive mindset, where you're constantly chasing distractions and reacting to external demands. It's no wonder so many people feel exhausted and unfulfilled. The difference between David and the average person is that he chose to start his day with calm and clarity rather than chaos. So what exactly is this habit? It is a morning mindfulness practice, a few minutes of focused breathing and presence that anchors you in the here and now. When you wake up, before you check your phone or jump out of bed, you sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. You observe your thoughts without judgment, gently bringing your attention back whenever it wanders. This simple act trains your brain to be present, reduces stress, and sharpens your focus. You might wonder, is 5 minutes really enough? Science says yes. Studies show that even brief mindfulness sessions can rewire your brain, improving attention, emotional regulation, and resilience. Over time, these small moments build a foundation of mental strength that supports every area of your life. But mindfulness isn't just about sitting quietly. It's about setting an intention for your day. After your breathing practice, take a moment to affirm what you want to cultivate, whether it's patience, focus, kindness, or courage. These intentions act like a compass, guiding your actions and decisions throughout the day. The beauty of this habit is its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need special equipment or a quiet retreat. You can do it in your bedroom, on your balcony, or even sitting on the edge of your bed. The key is consistency. Just 5 minutes every morning can create a ripple effect that transforms your mindset, productivity, and overall well-being. Now, imagine what your life could look like if you committed to this habit for just 30 days. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear mind, a calm heart, and a sense of purpose. Imagine handling challenges with grace and confidence, knowing that you have the tools to stay centered no matter what. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality waiting for you to claim. If you're ready to stop missing out on this life-changing habit, here's how to get started. Set a gentle alarm 5 to 10 minutes earlier than usual. When you wake up, resist the urge to check your phone or jump into your routine. Instead, sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay, just bring it back gently. After a few minutes, open your eyes and set a positive intention for your day. You can also experiment with guided mindfulness apps or simple breathing exercises if you prefer some structure. The important thing is to make this a non-negotiable part of your morning. Treat it like brushing your teeth or having breakfast, something you do every day without fail. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. Some days your mind will be calm, other days it will be restless. That's normal. The key is to keep showing up, because every time you practice, you're strengthening your mental muscles and building a foundation for success. In the coming days, pay attention to how this habit affects your mood, focus, and energy. You might notice that you're less reactive to stress, more productive, and even more patient with yourself and others. These subtle shifts add up, creating a powerful momentum that propels you toward your goals. So don't wait. Don't let another day slip by stuck in the same old routine. Start tomorrow morning with this one habit and watch how your life begins to change. Because the truth is, success isn't about working harder or doing more, it's about starting smarter. And it all begins with the very first moments of your day. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands, one mindful morning at a time.